In this video, I'd like to show how templates can be used in OIM analysis to automate the analysis of different scan files. To do this, I'm going to open a demo set here. This is a rolled aluminum sample. And I'm going to create a set of maps. So let's say I'm going to get some off of our QuickGen Toolbar. So I'll get an orientation map, an image quality map, and perhaps a grain boundary map. Those are all off our QuickGen Toolbar. And let's say I want to create a couple that are custom. So I'm going to do a new map. And let's say I'm going to do scroll down here, a grain reference orientation deviation map in color. This will give us a image showing the local misorientation distribution within grains. So that gives us 4 different map types. And of course, we can add more to this. If we look, we can add maps, plots, charts, textures. All this can be added, but I just want to show a basic concept. So let's say this is the analysis we want to do on multiple data sets. I can right click on here and say I want to export this as a template. And depending on what level I select, it will save it as a different type of template. So I'm at the data set level, the rolled aluminum data set. So I can call this template example. I'm going to save that. Now if I load another data set, so I'm going to load a rolled copper data set. So it's going to load this. And now I can right click on here and say I want to apply a template. And this shows you the different ones that could be done. So I could do just a map or a chart or a partition based, but I'm going to look at the full data set here. So this allows you to introduce all these different types within there. And I'm going to do my template example. And you can see that now these same maps are applied to this next data set. So it's very easy to have repeatable analysis for multiple data sets. Now, if you want to make this even easier than loading and saving, we also have the option of introducing this map to the QuickGen Toolbar. So the QuickGen Toolbar is an area where you can put your most commonly used maps. So I can come here to my settings, preferences, QuickGen. And so this is prompting us to load different templates. So on the dataset level, I can load now my template example template. You can see that this button now has this particular example loaded. So if I loaded a third data set, let's say I'll do an aluminum film, and I press this button here, then that's applied at the push of a button. So once a user decides what analysis they're interested in for a certain batch of samples, it's easy to have this. It's saved as a file. You can share it via email, and it's easy to introduce this to the analysis at the click of a button.